How's it going, guys? My name is Martin, and today we are on this amazing server. It's called Duckcraft, and you can join if information down in the description. It's a Hamashi server for now, but in the future it will be a dedicated hosting, so 24/7. GG. So yeah, it's currently actually it's public now. We don't lose no one. Like we literally just finished everything. Cakes here. Hi. So yeah, I just want to celebrate Happy New Year to you guys, and also a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, Happy New Year, guys. What do we do in this amazing year of 2015? Why Sunday here? Okay, you're an idiot. Just kidding. Anyways, bye guys.